Ryan Knight's here. We're finally at the park, and as you see, we got them all laid out. Now, I'm trying to decide which one to start with, and I'm really thinking about that one because it takes more to get ready, but at the same time, I got a few of these I need to go ahead and knock out, like these right here. I need to get some reviews done on these, and then that one, and that one. That one's just one that I bought. That one I gotta do a review on. That one I don't have to, but I'm going to anyway. But that one, and that one. Those right there are probably gonna be the big ones. Probably gonna be my main focus on trying to get the flight time in, because as you can see, the sun's going down and we're running out of time, unfortunately, and it sucks. So I might have to come back tomorrow to finish out, but we'll see. And then of course Grayson's got his little remote control car here, and what? Yeah. Say hi. Say hi, everybody. Why? You can say hi. Say hi. If it was Mama, you would say hi.
No. You do it.
I did do it. I've been talking on it. Okay then. He's eating his little Lunchable. So, but we're gonna go ahead and get started. I got a dash cam that I'm actually gonna use because my belt clip broke on my phone, and I can't get it to stand upright to get a good video. So I'm just gonna use my phone to do the aerial video on a lot of it. It just depends on how I can set up the transmitter. But a lot of them are SD card, so I'm not too worried about it. In fact, I think they all have an SD card to them, so I don't have to actually hook the camera up or the phone up to them. The only one that I have to do is the GPS one, because it's got all the options, like the follow me function, all that is on the app. So I won't be able to videotape it right now unless I have someone with me. So that's why I'm gonna wait to do it. Put it down. I told you you're not gonna fly those out here. That's why I brought your car.
All right.
No, not right now. But anyway, so I'm gonna get started and see what we can come up with.